Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Rachel. She's coming for a lovely fresh set today. So I prepped her natural nails. I applied Glitter Planet's pre-pinched tapered square tips. I primed, and now I'm going in with my clear layer. I'm using CJP crystal glass, and I'm using my Glitter Planet size 14 magic stick. I had to think about that then. So now I'm going in with application, and I'm using Slush Fairy. I can't even describe how perfect like this texture of acrylic is. This colour, like I wish all coloured acrylics were like this. Honestly, it worked perfectly. I wish clear was like this. The texture of it was amazing. And I'm sure if anybody else has got this, they will say the same. It has the most gorgeous shimmer in it. You can't really see it here, but I do have a video at the end just of the final result, so make sure you check that out because it is stunning. So I'm just doing a full nail of that, and I'm going to do that on the baby, the middle and the pointer. So then onto the ring finger and the thumb. So I just do a wash of that colour, Slush Fairy, and then just over the whole nail really. And then I pick up beads of the pink and then white, and I'll just marble them together. So now I'm just going to cap the nails in crystal glass. Just showing you the marble nails, but I do go back and do it on all the other nails, but I just didn't record that. So then that was me just coming in with my hand file and just perfecting the shape. I then come in with my E-file and I'll just whiz over the top of the nails, making sure the cuticle area is lovely and flat. We've got no bulkiness anywhere that can cause lifting. If the cuticle area is nice and flush and obviously you have prepped the nail correctly, you're going to have no problems. So I'm just going to whiz that over. It was so lovely to file as well. Honestly, Slush Fairy is my fave. So then I buffed her nails lovely and smooth, and then she gave them a good scrub, and now I've got a nice clean nail to apply some crystals and gel. So I'm just applying wherever I thought they would look pretty. These crystals I got from AliExpress, and I'm using back to my good old faithful crayon to apply them with, and I'm using gripper glue. So now I'm top coating, and I'm using CJP's tack free top gloss as per usual, making sure that we're not going over any of those crystals because you don't want to lose the shine on those. She then cures in a lamp for 60 seconds, and then I apply some cuticle oil. And I know that in the clip that I apply cuticle oil, a Lego brick or a building brick gets launched onto the table. Rachel is my partner's cousin, so Alan always comes home 10 minutes before just so she can see her. So yeah, she launched at her head and missed, and it went on the table. And here is the final result. I hope you like them, and I'll see you in my next one.